Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where today I want to talk about how I made Jam. And when I say Jam, I am of course referring to the job application manager I made and not the food product like my April Fool's thumbnail would suggest. One thing that I'm happy is not an April Fool's joke is that I have fully released my job application manager and it is available for download right now. I actually started creating Jam back in college when I was looking for a job, since I realized there were some problems with storing all my applications in a Google spreadsheet. Since then, I graduated, got a job, and have been working there for a few months now, so I ended up not needing the software at all. Even still, I decided to finish this project as a sort of thank you to the open source community. Since I've grown up using tools like Blender, GIMP, and Godot, I hope this piece of free open source software can at least make a small impact for those who need it. That being said, I would say there are three main reasons why I'd recommend using Jam if you're currently job searching. The first is that Jam is a piece of software hyper-focused on job application management, meaning its UI is designed to make adding and viewing applications as fast and as easy as possible. Included with this is a quick stats page to let you store a bank of information that applications often ask for, including a dedicated section for a list of skills. I thought the skills section was important since I couldn't fit all my skills on my resume, and it is so annoying when an application asks for my skills and I have to dig through all my memories of my whole life to try to remember everything I've ever learned. The skills section is just a good way of keeping everything in one place. The second major boon that Jam provides is image support. This may seem like a small feature, but I'd argue it's pretty significant. While you can use images in spreadsheets, they aren't contained to a single cell, so it's never very readable. Jam keeps the images on the side, and while they only show a zoomed preview, you can click on them to open them up in your standard photo viewing application. The reason that images are even important in the first place is because links can die. If you have a link to an application, that page can eventually be taken down, which is great for the company's storage bills, but it is not great for your record keeping. Images provide a form of tangible record keeping that cannot be taken away, which is why I think they are so important. The last big benefit Jam provides is security. Whenever I applied for a job, I usually had to create some sort of careers account. While Google saving my password is probably good enough, I usually like to keep an external record of all my accounts. Allowing you to save a password for companies was an obvious feature to include. Because Jam is storing sensitive data, even if that data is just for careers websites, I wanted to ensure that I was doing my best to keep users' data secure. The way I did this was by keeping all user data stored locally on your device, with an internet connection only needed or used for password recovery. In addition to being stored locally, all data is encrypted using AES, that being the advanced encryption standard, and your key is encrypted based on your Windows user. This means that even if a hacker was able to steal all of your data, it would be undecipherable to them. This does have the slight drawback of not being able to just copy your data to another computer, as it would not be able to read your data, but that's why I provided an export and import button in the settings tab, which can encrypt your data based off of your set password instead of a key encrypted to your Windows user. I will admit that no security is invincible, and you should still exercise caution when using the internet, as the weakest link in security is not the key but the key holder. However, if you are in a situation where someone has so much control over your computer that they are able to access the accounts you use for job applications, you have significantly larger fish to fry. With that being said, Jam is not perfect. There will always be things that can be added, improved, or changed, and if you have any suggestions or problems, please let me know on Discord, on GitHub, or in the comments below. Or if you ever want to make your own changes, again, I'm making this software open source under the GPL free license, so feel free to modify it. With that being said, if you know someone who is looking for a job, or if you're looking for a job yourself, I hope Jam will be of use to you, and good luck. And with that, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.